Yes, can you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, today like we are discussing about generative AI. So before going to that one, like I would like to introduce myself. I am Uday. Like present, I am doing on generative AI projects. So meanwhile, now present this generative AI, it is like a hot topic. All members like know about this one. So we'll discuss this one today. Our agenda is like just I will explain briefly about what is generative AI, what are the use cases, how many jobs are there. If you do this generative AI course, what will be the benefit? I will explain to you all in a clear way. Okay, first of all, you can go means like taking about the past thing. AI is nothing but what means it's like making machine understand like human intelligence. What I would like to say means machines are not that much expert as human intelligence, but when we train the machine means the machine will automatically understand what we are saying. For example, like we have noticed like Siri is there, Alexa is there. Just what you can see like our devices are becoming smarter day by day. Like switch on the AC, like maybe like turn off TV, like voice based services also there, right? And also you can see like a different types of AI tools, all this one. It is not like one day source, right? It's like previous also we are having AIs like using Gmail scam, all the things. You can see like Zomato, Swiggy, all the things you have, right? You can see that one also like food online delivery. You can see how the process is going on, how it can able to detect that this much time it will take, all the things. It's based on clusters, okay? It's sometime this much time. How if I book a Ola or Uber car, how it will take like they will estimate this much time the cab is reaching, all the thing. And also duration plays a lot of things is there, lot of things. Every day you are using AI, you don't know like how much you are using AI, but every day we are using AI. You can see like in the Ola cabs, Swiggy, Zomato, all this one like it is using AI, right? You can see like in the Ola, Uber also based on the prices, duration, price, all the things, timings, it will vary. And also in the healthcare industry, also 24 by 7, the backend team is there. They can work only for the 5 days. But if we implement this AI, means AI can work for 24 by 7, 366 days, right? And so that is what means that is the use case of what means AI. So we'll discuss about what is this one. We'll discuss. So today agenda is about I will give you a brief introduction about what is AI, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, natural language processing, what is a computer vision, and I will discuss about what is this generative AI. All the things what I will do means I will discuss all the things one by one. Okay. So total things I will discuss, and also first one we'll go with AI. What is AI? You know what is AI? AI is nothing but the ability of a machine to understand the human intelligence. It's just what we can say. It's a brief definition of what this one. So, what is this applications of AI means? It is nothing but, for example, in the machine learning, we can see like a credit card is there, fraud detections, fraud transactions, and also like in cognitive computing, like we are using virtual assistants. In computer vision, we are using like medical imaging analysis, all the things. In deep learning, like we are using autonomous vehicles, like you can see like in neural networks we are using like Apple, Siri, all the things. And in NLP, natural language processing, we are using chatbots. This and all what means AI only. So you know like what is AI. So now what we'll discuss means what is this machine learning. Okay, this you can see this is the applications of AI. Okay, applications of AI. AI is nothing but what means it's a human intelligence where the machine can automatically understand what human is trying to give the feedback. That one automatically the machine can able to understand. Okay, so now we'll go with the further details about this one. So we are going with machine learning. So what is this one? Machine learning means it's a back end part of the AI. Okay, AI it is in the front end, means this machine learning it is in the back end part. So we are doing coding, application, all this one it will come under what means machine learning only. Like we are using different types of algorithms, different types of models we are using. what we'll do means we'll code that one. We'll train the model, and we will detect like how much accuracy we have got it. All the things, it is like what means it is the back end part of what means machine learning. Okay. Machine learning is the back-end part. So we'll discuss about what is this machine learning. All the things we'll discuss. Okay, in further classes we'll discuss. But just today, what we'll do is just I will explain briefly about this machine learning. Machine learning is nothing but it's a type of AI where the machines can be automatically able to understand. How they can understand means first we'll take the data, we'll give the training to the data. After training, what we'll do is we'll test the data whether what are like we have given the training, whether they have passed or not. If it is not passed, again we'll train the data. That like what we are doing is we are training the data. So based on predictions and also like based on decisions, the automatically the machine can understand. Okay, this is the what means like he is trying to analyze this. So examples of machine learning, what we can do means spam filtering. Whether like Gmail, you can see like in the Gmail automatically the some mails it will go into the spam, right? How it will go based on this machine learning only. You can say product recommendations in the Google, like you can open the Amazon, Flipkart. If you open this, automatically you can able to. Yeah, my voice is not audible. Hello, hello.
Yeah, yeah, sometimes it was getting break.
Now it is
Yeah,
audible.
so that it was sometimes getting break. Yeah,
Okay,
now
okay,
it's audible.
okay. Now it is fine, right? So
Yeah, yeah, now
examples
it's
of
fine.
machine learning is nothing
But
but what is yes, yes. Tell me.
but in between sometimes it was getting break.
Okay, okay. So okay. Examples of machine learning is nothing but what means spam filtering and also product recommendations. If you see in the Flipkart, Amazon, you can see like they are recommending automatically products, and also in the Netflix, you can see automatically it will recommend based on the your interest, whatever like previous you have seen the movie, based on that one it will be recommended. How this and are possible, how it is possible means the machine automatically able to understand, and also it will detect the fraud, anything happens in the banking sector, anything, and in medical diagnosis, all this one it can able to understand. These are the what means examples of what we can say machine learning. Okay, so after this one what we'll do means we'll discuss about deep learning. So what is deep learning means it's a subset of machine learning. What we can say means is just we can say as a subset of machine learning. In deep learning, it is a type of machine learning which we will use ANN, artificial neural network. You can see in our man the brain is there, how it will functions. Same like that only the deep learning also it will work based on human brains, human functionalities, how the human brain it is working based on same like that only it will be worked. Okay, so different types of deep learning mechanisms. Examples we can see means we are having like image recognition will be there, natural language processing means automatically it can able to understand the language. For example, like I am having a English is there. I want this one to be converted into a French. It can able to convert. How it can able to under convert means based on natural language processing only. So and also you can see like a present self-driving cars also is there. Okay, self-driving vehicles, all the things it is happening. Okay, but you can see like a present there is something research also going on. If something happened to the like vehicles or something means it how it can identify all the things it is going on. And meanwhile also they are focusing on what
Hello.
means for example, hello.
Yeah, so there. Sorry for interruption. My side one request. Can you please go? Can you please go a little bit slow?
Okay, okay, fine.
Actually, you are going very fast.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Okay, I will go slow. Okay. So, for example, like I am going in the highways, automatically maybe like I got a heart attack or something I have got. So suddenly I can able to stop the car. So at that time, if I use this type of algorithms, means it will automatically detect and it will automatically stop that vehicle, right? So in that cases also, use cases also, what we'll use means we'll use this deep learning process, all the things. And we are having like a convolutional CNN is there, convolutional neural networks, and also LSTM is there, long short term memories. All this one like it's a like brief introduction, okay? So one day you can't understand all the things. Just it is what I can say means it's a demo section. So I am giving just a brief introduction about this all the topics. Okay, you can see what is neural networks. Okay, it is like what means it is a type of machine learning algorithm. So where the machine can understand how human brain is functioning, same like that only it will function. For example, like I will ask the chat GPT, can you please give me the poem, can you please give me the story? What it will do automatically, it will create a story. How it will be created, that is what means a generative AI. That is what means generative AI. So based on the human interest whatever is there, based on that one, it will be automatically generated the text. Okay, so this like also the neural networks, all these things, there is a different features will be there. Next we are going to what means CNN. Computer vision is there. NLP, you know about NLP. Okay, that and all what we'll do means we'll discuss in the further classes. Okay, so like automatically the mission, whatever the mission is there, it can able to understand the natural language, whatever the language we are having. For example,
Uday,
in the hello.
Uday, I'm sorry for interrupting, but may I know, is it about generative AI tools or we are talking about everything that is going in the back end?
No, like what all like we are discussing, all the things I will covering today. Okay, it's a demo session based on generative AI. So if you want to learn generative AI, you have to be needed this basic idea about all these things. Okay.
Okay, so we are going to learn how to make a generative AI.
Yes, yes. We'll
Okay,
discuss
great.
that
Thank
one,
you.
all the things. Because see, these are all what means basics. So here don't know like what is generative AI also. So for them also what I am doing is I am teaching in a very simple manner so that even like those who don't know like what is programming, those who don't know like what is Python also, they can able to write their own code. Here I am not explaining like other institutions. You can see like different types of institutions is there. They will explain only the basic part, but I will not explain like that. I will explain in depth. They will take some other data, but I am like convincing you to take your own data. You get your data, we'll do practically, we'll implement that one. That is what my intention is. You can see a lot of institutions they didn't tell about how you can deploy a model. I am having one model is there, how you can deploy that model in the environment. How they won't teach you, but I will train from the scratch to the deployment. Total things, not I am telling, you are doing with live example with me. You are doing like that. I will be designing. Okay, not I am teaching. You are listening. Not like that. Automatically, you also will simultaneously you will do what all like I am teaching. I will go with a very basic stuff. You don't know like what is artificial. Also, I will explain from the basic and I will go with the generative AI. Okay. So natural language processing, you can see like what is this one? Natural language processing means uh, it's like a branch of AI. Okay, that will focus on what means the interaction between the computers and the humans through natural language. For example, uh, I am giving the test in English. It has to be delivered in Hindi, maybe like French. I want to get. I can get it. How? It is based on natural language processing only. And also like we are having sentimental analysis. You can say like a movies. They will give like ratings based on ratings whether it is positive, negative, like that. How they will give based on this one natural language processing only. Okay, so there are like different techniques, a different process we are doing. Okay, so coming to this computer vision, what is this one? It's a field of computer science between the computers and the visual world. what we can say means you can see like present the images, maybe like videos. You can able to automatically able to generate. How it can able to generate means based on this computer vision. Okay, automatically it can able to generate the images, videos, all the things. Okay, like image classification we can do, image segmentation we can do, all these two things what we can do means we can do based on this computer visions. Okay, this is about what means computer vision. So now you can see what is generative AI now. That's so generative AI is nothing but what we can do means mm, it's a similar like AI, but in generative AI, automatically it can able to analyze the things. Okay, automatically it will generate the data. By automatic, it will listen what I am typing. Based on that one, it automatically generates the data. Okay, for example, what I will give is I will give like a currency is there. I will give both fake currency and original currency. Okay, input I am giving. So based on that one, the output should be like whether the currency what I have given, whether it is real or fake. So I can build that type of algorithms also. I can build. That is what means generative AI. Okay. So it is a type of what is this generative AI means it is a type of artificial intelligence that can create its own content, new content it can able to create, such as like text, images, music, all the things, quotes, anything it can able to create. You can tell like any field. Present like you are working in a maybe like different fields. All members are working. Some maybe in non-IT sector, some maybe in IT sector, some others maybe finance, some other maybe like different sectors, maybe like a business, anything. Okay, anything you want, this generative AI what it will do means it will create the new content, whether it is a text, images, music or code, anything it can able to create that. How it will create means it will create by learning the patterns from the existing data, and then it what it will do means it will use this knowledge to generate new outputs. Okay, based on existing data, based on the data, what it will do means it will generate the new outputs. Okay, like that. So you can see like a different, I can create my own content also, I can able to create. So for example, like I want to create a content, it may take like 1 or 2 days, but with the help of this generative AI, I can able to create the own content within a time of just 5 minutes. Okay, I can create images also, text, all the things I can able to do because of this what means generative AI. Okay, so applications, will go with applications. What are the applications means we are using in every field, we are using any field we can use this generative AI. So we can see like a content, creative content, like maybe music, literature, all the things we can use generative AI. And we can use like a product design is also there, we can use that one. And research and development also, there is like a lot of complex problems is there, that one also you can able to solve that complex problems using generative AI. For example, like you are the developer, you can able to write the code by using this generative AI. All the things it can able to generate text. Okay, it can able to write articles, poems, codes, script, everything it can able to write. Okay, everything. Don't anything you can ask, it can able to write it. And also images. For example, like I want cartoons, paintings. I want something like that of realistic photos. I want. It can able to generate. And also like audio, it can generate audio. I want like different types of characters or voice. It can able to generate music. It can able to generate own music, sound effects it can able to generate. And also coming to videos, it can able to generate the new videos, like what means videos of cartoons of peoples, animals, objects, anything what it will do means this is the capabilities of AI. Okay, the capabilities of AI. So we can go with examples. What are the examples means mm, we can see like a DALI E model is there, which you can able to automatically create the images, text to images. And you know very well GPT-3, chat GPT 3.5, you know like jukebox, it will generate music, in varieties of genders, all the things. These are the examples of what means generative AIs. So here what we are using techniques means we are using like a GAN, GAN and RNN, generative adversarial networks, all
Hello.
this one. Hello,
Yes, Uday, sorry for interruption. Is it possible to show one example
which one?
for how to create, like that you said, right?
Yes, yes,
We
I
can
will show
create
you.
something.
So I have a code is
Yeah,
there, that one I
yeah,
will generate. Okay, that one I will open
yeah,
and I will, at the ending, I will
yeah,
generate
yeah.
that
I can
code and I
continue,
will,
please.
okay. So I have the code is there, so it will take time to generate. So, but I will do that one. Okay. So these are what means applications and use cases of this generative AI. Okay. So if you want to, what we can say is these are all examples of generative AI. You can say like Mid Journey, Dream Studio, Runway, DALI. These are all what is uh, examples of generative AI. So I don't want to go in depth because like here, those who don't know, like so they are from the basics. So I don't want to go in depth. Just I am explaining briefly about what this generative AI, all the things I am explaining. Okay. LLMs, we can go with LLMs, different types of LLMs is there. So language, large language models. See, these are the generative AI examples. You can see, you can able to see. Okay. So this is like what means a new class of antibiotics discovered by uh, generative AI. This is the link. You can go to this link also. So automatically it can able to generate the antibiotics. Okay. You can see like this is the new revolution of generative AI. It can able to automatically discover the antibiotics also. So these are the advantages, different types of advantages like we are having. Like they are having lot of use cases present like this generative AI, it is like a baby to the different technologies, but it will create many more what means exact what we can say means many more opportunities it will create, all the things it will do. Total it will be automated, whatever the present we are doing, totally it will be automated based on this generative AI. You can see these are the use cases. See Mickey Mouse, it can able to generate different types of Mickey Mouse, all it can able to generate. Okay. So these are like types of generative AI models. You can see like text, images, audio. You can see these are the images. It can able to see all the things. Okay.
So do we need OpenAI.api for this?
OpenAI dot API keys. Yes, we
No,
will
yeah,
use.
yeah. API.
Yes, yes, we will use that one. Okay. So you can see like these are the what which Gartner says that 80% of enterprises will be used generative AI models by the year 2026. This is what means the Gartner, the famous uh, person he has told about what is this generative AI, what are the futures of generative AI, all the things he has given the what means just a brief introduction about this generative AI. Okay, so you can see like what are the futures, different types of futures. The total you can see like different companies is there. They are spending most of the what means income on this generative AI only. So this history of LLM large language models, it will be started in the year 1967 only. In 1967, there is ELISA is there. 1997, like there is a LSTM is there, and 2010 like Stanford Core NLP is there. 2011, you'll go with Google Brain. 2017, we are going with the Google Transformation Architecture, and in 2020 like OpenAI GPT-3, all it's a evolution. You can see like the topmost companies they are having their own models will be there, different types of own models is there, all the things. So what I can able to say means uh, by 2024 the 40% of the enterprise applications it will be embedded using this generative AI. Okay, so it will be gradually it will be increasing. Okay, not like decreasing, it will be increasing gradually. So we can see how it is going to happen. You can see how it will affect the artificial intelligence by 2024 to 2030. You can see like the World Economic Forum has estimated that this whatever the artificial intelligence is there, it will be replaced by 85 million jobs by 2025. You can estimate like how 1 million is how many lakhs. You can tell me like 1 million how many lakhs? 1 million.
X.
10 lakhs. Yeah, exactly. You can see like 85 million jobs. It will be lost because of this AI. 85 million means you can estimate how much. So it is not a what is a problem. You can see like it will create jobs more than this one. You can see 97 million jobs is created by this AI. Okay, 97 million jobs means compulsory you have to be updated by yourself. Otherwise, your place will be replaced by those who have updated their whatever the technology is there. It will be replaced. You can see like these are the reports which were produced by World Economic Forum. Maybe like a 97 million, the new roles will be established based on the skills, based on your skills, all the things will be. So if you are having any doubts on this one, it is open to all the things. Okay, so if you are having any doubts, you can ask. So anybody
Well, I will
having any
start.
doubts? Yeah, hello.
Yeah, this is Mitra here.
Yes, yes.
And actually, it's just a coincidence that we are talking about this again today. But today's afternoon itself, I was searching about these things and I saw that OpenAI's API keys are not free and they are per generation, per token, something. It is not free. That's what I saw. Can we use it for free? At
Yes,
least
yes.
for our project purpose.
Yes, yes, yeah. Yeah, we can use it. Okay. I will tell you how we can create this case.
Okay, good.
Like it's like minimum there will be some amount will be there to use that keys also. But when we are using that one, we'll go with different other models also. Like we'll use the Google Collab, all the things we'll use and we'll do it. Okay. So we'll deploy our own model. We won't use like open APIs, all we'll generate. Okay. Like I am having that one also. I will tell you that one how we can do all the things. I will tell you.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, this is Avnish. I wanted to
Yes, yes.
ask whether this the NLP models are there, sequential models are there.
Mhm.
Are those models considered as a generative AI, or generative AI is different, far different from these things? Maybe if we see that ChatGPT is there also, there are some apps which are able to help us. I mean, right now that one Bhashini app is there, which converts the any language into the India's regional language.
Okay.
So that is, yeah, that is the example of sequential model, or it is the example of generative AI.
Yeah, NLP models is different from generative AI. Okay. Just
Okay,
NLP,
so
it
like,
is a basic. Okay. And generative AI, it's like a what advanced one. Okay. Mm. So, but we'll
okay,
use all these concepts in our models. We'll use all these
okay,
concepts.
okay.
Hello, Udani. I have a
Yeah,
question.
yes, yes. Yeah, yes, yes.
Actually, I just want to know. So, I believe that for NLP and machine learning, we are using Python to code, right? So, what about
Yes,
Gen
yes.
AI? Are we using Python for that as well?
Yeah, we are using Python also.
Okay.
We are using
So,
Python
today
for
I
that.
believe that it's a demo session just to give us a brief. So, will you take us through like maybe some modules, some code, some like a glimpse of how it would look, once we get to work on it? Anything, any reference, anything like that? Can you show?
Yes, yes. 1 minute I will show you.
Sure. Thank you.
1 minute I will open. Yeah, meanwhile, like anybody having any doubts, they can ask me. Just I'm opening the module.
Okay.
Yes, anybody having any doubts on this one, they can ask me meanwhile. So you can see this is the code and you able
Our
to see.
screen is not visible.
Yeah, no, 1 minute. Now
It's visible.
you can
Yeah,
see
yeah,
like
now it's
robots in deserts. If I give this prompt, it will be showing like robots in deserts, right? So I want to run this one. So this like of codes like we are doing. So it will take some time.
So this Mindale E is the module that we are using.
Yes, yes, yes. Open a it's open a
Okay.
Delhi. So 1 minute. It will take some time because I'm running in the cloud anyway. So it may take some.
Hmm.
So here, if I change like text to image, if I give like text, I want to get anything, I can get it, anything. So it will take some time. So meanwhile, like anybody having any doubts on this one, they can ask me.
Yeah, Uday. If you want to learn generative AI, we want to must learn Python, right?
Yes, yes, Python. Any language, not only Python, Go, anything. Okay, it's fine.
Any language means
And in not a Python, Go language is there. Like we are having
Python
different
or
types.
R?
But
Uh, do people
we can
R
use
also?
that one. Yeah, but Python it is like what it's very much easy. Those who don't know like what is programming also, they can easily learn Python within 1 week. I will train you within 1 week. You can learn easily Python. It's nothing a matter. Okay. Those who don't know like what is programming also, it is very easy. So all members going with Python. Okay.
Python.
Yes.
I know completely SQL, but I don't know about Python. I can learn easily